Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Skillshare for creative courses, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type Skillshare into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Skillshare website link. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. You have the option to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. After signing up, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Explore the main categories displayed on the homepage, such as illustration, design, photography, and more. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to type in keywords related to your interests. Once you find a course that intrigues you, click on its thumbnail to view the course details. Read the course description to understand what you will learn. Take a moment to check the instructor's profile for their background and expertise. If the course seems like a good fit, click the Enroll button. Some courses might offer a free trial, while others may require a subscription. After enrolling, head back to your dashboard to find your course. Click on the course tile to start watching the videos. The course is typically divided into sections and lessons for easy navigation. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward through the videos as needed. Make sure to take notes or bookmark important sections as you progress. Most courses also provide projects for hands-on practice, so be sure to check those out. As you complete each lesson, mark them as complete to track your progress. Engage with fellow students through the community section for feedback and support. After finishing a course, consider leaving a review to share your experience. Explore additional classes to continue enhancing your skills. Skillshare also offers live sessions and workshops, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. With these steps, you can effectively navigate Skillshare and make the most out of your creative courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.